Ooh, going on? Top of the morning. We almost there. Target field right there. Look at that. I missed it. It's cool though. The day just started. It's cool. Well, that's the first target. Target field. New week opening gap high from weeks ago. Back from July 26th. No, July 10th and July 12th. Friday, July 10th. New week opening gap high. That was the target. Now we get a retrace. They can do whatever they want from here. But if they go above that, I'll be looking for all time high, 600 points away. Definitely can do that today. See what they do. One minute gap again. No 5 minute gap shit. Macro coming up. We did go 50%. 50% of the previous 5 minute candle. Could have been an entry. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. After we hit our target, I could definitely see us retracing today because they didn't give hardly. They didn't give any proper retraces in the last 2 days. Trying to hurry up and get to this target. That I didn't think we would get to this target until Thursday or Friday, and they were in a rush to get this target. I mean, if we get above new week opening gap and give me a 5 minute gap, then I believe we're going reaching for all time highs, but I can definitely see us retracing today. Definitely see it. But at the moment right now, we have just been too bullish to try to even think about looking down right now. You're gonna have to prove it. You gotta really prove it. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I think we could drop today. Let me see. 50%, 15-minute candle. Is it gonna hold or not? 985. Is it gonna hold or not? Got news at 10. Yep, news at 10 and Trump speaking at 4:30. Check the total market. Let's see. NQ retracing. ES a little stronger. Dow is strong. Dow is pushing. The dollar is consolidating. I mean, the market could really do anything. Dollar is consolidating. There's ES pushing. I am pushing. Dollar consolidating. Came 50% of the 15-minute candle. Turned around. Which for now means it's a little too early to be looking down. You don't want it yet. With news at 10. Macro. Ooh, news at 10. See what they do with it. ES got slapped hard. They rejected harder than NQ. With everything. Dollar turned around too, man. Oh, all indexes turned around. And the dollar. Broke 50%. Coming back for this hour gap. And the 5 minute gap that never got tapped. 883. We hit the first target. Ran up there without me. Cool. Day just started. I feel like this is our draw on liquidity. Got a 1 hour gap and a 5 minute gap down here. Feels like the draw on liquidity right now. Five-minute gap from 925, man. Still filling order. Bullish order. I'm gonna need a clear direction today. The last 2 days been too good to be jumping in on this. Last 2 days was clear. %50 of the 9 o'clock hour, 985. Still inside the macro. 5 minute gap, 15-second shift. Came back to the order block. Could have tried them right there. With a 20-point stop, I could have tried them right there. weather, man, today. Shoot. Stay nasty like this. I'm going to work. Give me something nice. Give me something clean. Give me something I can trust. Sight unseen. There's a 9:30 open. 9:30 opening. 9:30 open. Mm, mm, mm. Look at that red. $58. Let's see. Would have been a 40-point stop. They did not go too far. 2R would be 30, 40 and a half. Four minutes, we have a new 15-minute candle. I guess this would have been candle 3 to the downside. Candle 1 bullish, candle 2 swept the old high. With a light for it to sweep that high again. Did get the shift down. Came back in the gap. Shift down again. After that second one, we should get stage 2 accumulation. Drop down again. On the 5-minute, we got swept the old high. Closed below the green candles that took the high. Right here. Came back to the 5-minute order block. 306. Wide stop. So if that plays out, that takes us to the 1-hour gap I'm looking for. 2R. It's possible. 15-second. Let's see. Still not bearish. I'm just weighing both sides. Just weighing both sides. No 15-minute candle in 20 seconds. Should give us some direction. So far, we still inside the first 15-minute candle, which is not a good place to be taking trades. Unless you have a clear direction and a clear target. And we don't. This thing could still go either way. Feel like we already took. We took the first target, the initial target I was looking for. Now it seems like this is the draw on liquidity. But it doesn't have to be. Let's see, if we would have took a higher silver bullet, from 12. You would have needed a 20-point stop. And you could have got 30 points. No, you could have got about 40 points before it retraced. I mean, you could have took this first entry. That shit. You had to be in and out. You got to be a scalper. In and out in 2 minutes. Not looking for it to take the low. In one move. Really starting to look like they want to go lower. Swept the high on the 5-minute candle. You know what I just remembered? Talking to myself. Yesterday was definitely a large range day. Over 1,000 points. Yesterday was a large range day, so we should expect the AM session for the day to be exactly what it is. Definitely should expect the AM session for the day to be exactly what it is right now. Sloppy. Sloppy. Today might be a day to just wait until maybe 11 o'clock or wait until lunch. Get a clean setup. Or maybe until the macro, 10:50 macro, might give a clean setup. Yep, today might be one of them days. And we got Trump speaking today. That don't make it any easier. I really think they want to wash out everybody that's loading up on calls, expecting a repeat from Monday and Tuesday. Sitting right here, just letting y'all load up on calls, and then they gonna wash everybody out. See how much pain you can withstand. And then a PM session might run up. Doing it again. Some would say this is looking like a head and shoulders for me. But we never took London low. Jeez. That's a target right there. We never took London low. We took London high, took Asia high, previous day high. Shit, we gotta distribute this, all this stuff. It's time to distribute. There go another silver bullet entry. Silver bullet entry, 5-minute entry, 15-second entry. Should have took it. Should have just put one on it. Try it out. We're below 930, barely. We got midnight low and we got London low. See, I don't like that. Cause this would have been my entry. There we go. Yeah. Once you tap my entry, you gotta go. Don't come back. Now I'm starting to see something clear. Let's see that bullish thing. That still ain't played out. Now it's starting to look clear. Ooh. And we called that thing, baby. All right. Silver bullet short off the 1 minute. I gotta hit 2R and retrace. It's one of them type of days. It's one of those type of days. Hit 2R, perfect. Dang, that was my setup right there. That was me. That was me. Hit 2R, perfect. Came right back. Take this high. It's one of them days. Take your money. What was that? 25-point stop, 50-point target. Could have put 3 on there for a quick 300. Could have been. I thought about that too. They'll probably wick the other side of the first 15. Turtle soup. Come back in. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. 50%. 50% of the RTH gap. Right there. No, it ain't. Right there. 50% of the RTH gap. Tag. Took the whole thing. Now we did that yesterday. We cleared all the way through the RTH, grabbed that liquidity, turned around and went up. Today is the 5th. Just make a note that we had a large range day yesterday. So this morning session is a little bit sloppy, but I called one trade. I didn't take it, but it played. That's a good sign for me. I didn't take it, but it played. 5-minute order blocks are holding. Price down. Shifted here. 5-minute order block. Came back 25 points into the block. Got this 5-minute 965. Once it closed below, it came back 65 to 90, 25 points into the block. Definitely looking like lower is the direction. Oh, we digging. Hit that 5-minute gap, hit that hour gap, man. Boy, I called that thing, boy, live. I called that sucker live, man. The next step is to take it. The next trade, we gotta take it. Give me a 5-minute gap so I can get in this thing, man. Give me a 5-minute gap so I can get in this thing. So I can get me some. Give me a 5-minute gap so I can get me some. Give me a 5-minute gap so I can get some. No, don't keep doing it. Great drop, man. Called that sucker. Just didn't take it. Called that baby, but I didn't take that baby. Even when they went up and took this high right here, that was textbook. Took the 5-minute high, swept, gave another trade, another setup. And that's how you do it. 32 points. That's how you do it. Let me wake up, man. Let me wake up. Let me wake up. Let me wake up. Wake up, baby. Wake up, baby. Time to get money, baby. We done called it, man. We called the draw on liquidity. We sold a 1-minute silver bullet. I knew it was gonna come back and take the little swing for anybody trying to hold too long. Yep. Called that thing, baby. And even now, if they don't close below this red line and suck back into the range, it kind of kills my downside move. You gotta leave me a 5-minute gap and stay below this red line for me to keep looking down. We already done hit the top side draw. We hit the lower draw, sell side draw. Damn, I'm saying it wrong. We hit the buy side draw on liquidity initially. We hit the sell side draw on liquidity after 10. That was nice. That was very nice. Very nice. Still got London low. Playing around midnight. 30 seconds on this 5-minute candle. See if they leave a gap. Be nice if they leave a gap. Let's see how they gonna do this thing. Kind of tough right here. For this next play that I'm thinking about doing, but we gonna see. Just gonna have to risk it. Gonna have to see what's gonna happen. 55-point stop. Let's see. 20-point stop. To get London low. Shit, we gotta try that. Let's see. Lately they've been doing 25 points, so let's see. See what they do right here. See what they do right here. That'll be from 9. That'd be 50 points. That'd be a little over 50 points. That'd be a nice one. It'd be a nice one. 127 points. That's a nice one. Let's see if we can get it. 127 points, baby. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. 127 points. See what we can get. Ooh, doo doo. Here we go with this pulling back stuff. And I ain't get the right entry. I should have been at 909. I'm at 904. 909, 25 points. Right there. Let's go. Looking good so far. Looking good. We got to get below this swing low. Get below this swing low, and I feel real good about the direction. Let's go. Let's do it. Here we go. Let's do it. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. Give it to me. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, I forgot it is that. It is one of them days. It is one of them days. Come on, give it to me. Let's get paid. Let's get paid. Do I need to read it? Let's read it. Hebrews 11:1. Now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. This is what the ancients were commended for. By faith, we understand that the universe was formed at God's command, so that what is seen was not made out of what was visible. Let's go. Can we get London low? London low. Quantity 3, get you 6. I just want London low, baby. I'll take that. Just let me get London low. Just let me get London low. Come on. Just let me get London low. For the first draw, I'm going to take one off at London low. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to take one off at London low. And then the next one we're going to hold, boy, because the last 2 days showed me. You got to hold, buddy. I got to hold for at least 20 minutes. That's the rule I came up with last week. Got to hold for at least 20 minutes. For at least 4 or 5 minute candles. Now this swing low right here, we need to get past that, because that could hurt me. That swing low right there could hurt me. That could hurt me. But we got London low below, so let's dig. Let's dig. Let's dig. Come on. Let's dig down. 15 seconds looking good. 1 minute looking good. Looking good. Did we get any more silver bullets? Come on. We were making 400 every day this week. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. 833, 829. That's another. No, it's 7. 833. Another 30 points. Another 30 points. That's another 120. Yep. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. I got the faith. I got the faith. I got the faith in the unseen. I have the faith in the unseen. Let's go to London low. Let's go to London low. Come on, baby. I'm not liking what you're doing right here. Let's go to London low. I'm not liking what you're doing right here. London low, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh, what's the first 1 hour range? The 1 hour range from here to that's 10:30. Oh, oh man, that is not looking good. That's not a good thing right there. Am I looking for too much in one move? Am I looking for too much in one move, or can we get London low right here? There we go. Retrace. Come on. Get back down. Get back down. I know they're trying to suck in bulls. They're trying to suck in bulls, but let's just knock them out right here. Let's just knock them out right here. Let's just knock them out. Let's just knock them out. 15 second. Ah, man. Come on. Hey. Knock him out the box, Rick. Come on. Hey, I don't like that gap right there. I don't like that. I don't like that. We got to get below that. Get below this gap. Get below that gap. Get below 850. Come on. Continue below 850. Don't let that little gap mess me up. Come on. Fake them. Fake the bulls and take them out. Suck them in and take them out. Don't give them nothing. Don't give them anything. Suck them in and then dump it. Suck them in and dump it. Come on. Look at the time. Look at the time. Come on, 15 seconds. Come on. Take the low. Get back to the low. There we go. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's see. That's 904. 50 points. I'm looking for another 50 points. That'll give me my 400 for the day. Come on. Come on. Get below that swing low. This is the candle that got to do it for me. This is the candle that has to do it for me. This candle has to do it for me. Or it's going to get ugly for me. This candle has to do it for me or it's going to get ugly. It's going to get ugly. I need this candle right here to do it for me. What we doing over here? What we doing over here? Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on. London low, baby. London low, baby. Come on. London low, baby. I do not like this accumulation. Do not like the accumulation here. Do not like the accumulation here. And we still don't have a 5-minute gap. Do not like this accumulation. Do not like y'all pushing up like this. Don't like the push up. Don't like it. I don't like it. You need to give me a 5-minute gap. I don't like that. Mm. Hey, man, I don't like that right there. Hey, hey, man. Mm. Sloppy, sloppy, sloppy. Just sloppy, man. Should have gave me a 5 minute gap. We ain't got no 5 minute gap yet. That's why I can't trust it. We should have had a 5 minute gap up in here. That would have made me trust it more. And then I probably should have took one off right here. Probably should have took one off right here. Especially once I noticed the time. It's almost. Mm. Don't like how the 1 minute is setting up like it wants to reverse. It could continue down. Definitely could continue down. But it's not. It just don't look good for the down move. Plus the week is bullish. So I kind of feel like I'm counter trending on the week. I'm in the right trend for the day, for the moment. Kind of counter trending on the week. See if we can get this. Kind of leaving a 15 minute gap. Dang, they gave me. I was at 909. They gave me 80 points. 80 points. I had about $300. I had about $300. I was trying to get another four. I've been doing four all week, but I had three on yesterday. I only had two on this time. If I'd have had that third one on, I'd have had my four. Still early. It's not even 11 o'clock. Still early. Making money in the house, in the room. I ain't have to go outside in the sun. I ain't got to work for nobody. Making money in the house. I'm chilling, pushing buttons on the computer. I have a supervisor to answer to. Price is still pushing up, which makes me even more satisfied with my exit. Because prices continuing up, I would be very much dissatisfied with my exit if I would have gotten out and then it would have went to my target. I would have been very much dissatisfied. Lesson for the day is I need to write in my journal. Lesson for the day is I should have took one off at this swing low below before London low. 834, 797. It's about 37 points ahead of my target. Should have took one off. New 5 minute candle. This could be the one to go down. This could be the one. Oh, 9, 10 to 860, 870. Cuz got his money. I'd be looking for the longer target. Didn't even come back to the entry. Gave the setup on the 5 again. Could have got in right here. Do 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 do. 5-minute candle. 15-second shift. 28-point stop. 2R. 824. Which brings it back down to the low. I just wish they would have gave me a 5-minute gap, man. I would have had so much more trust in the trade. I would have had a lot more faith in the trade. Look at that. 2R off of that setup. Down is definitely the direction right now. Because they're giving 2R. They didn't give 2R on that up move. So down is definitely the direction. What did I say about holding for 20 minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 20 minutes. 25 minutes. I held for almost 20 minutes. The whole 20 minutes would have been right up here to my dang target. And I was covered at that point, so shoot, that would have been worse. It's cool. I just didn't get the amount that I wanted all in one trade. But if they give me a 5-minute gap and set up again, I'm taking the trade. Give me a 5-minute gap. That's all. That's what I really asked for. Look at him going, man. Ah, dang it. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. Look at my target. Mm, mm, mm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles. That's why I came up with the rule. You got to follow the rule, man. 4 candles. Got to hold for 4 candles at least. Got to hold for 4 candles at least. At least 4 or 5-minute candles. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, man. I was worried about the macro doing a retrace, which it did. Let's see if they even gave what they should have gave. Let's see. Macro did a retrace. Came back to the order block. Yeah, they gave they 2R. Macro gave 2R if they took it from the order block. Gave them. Matter of fact, it came right short of 2R. Oh, let me see. All right, macro gave 2R to the tick perfectly. That's all they got. And then the short gave over 3. So down is the direction for me. Mm. But they just not gonna leave a 5 minute gap. 'Hey man. Mm. Is the order block gonna hold price down? 841, 62, 21 points. Don't look like it. I'm upset with myself for not holding to the target. I wish the candle would have just expanded, went straight down. I only needed another 30 points. Another 30 points, but they had to do the retrace first for 10 minutes. I held through about 7, 8 minutes of it. Um, took that off. Yeah. 32. Yeah, that ain't good. They finna go higher. I don't know. I think I was talking right here. I should have been paying attention. I should have been mouth closed, focused. I would have seen it. I would have executed it. I can see this being short, but it's just hard to trust without a 5 minute gap. And I can also see since we took London low, we could run up and take buy side again. I probably should have just tried it. I mean, they did this right here. Kind of don't trust it though. I've seen this story before and I don't really trust it. See, because how this did. Once they close below the order block, you come back to it one time, maybe twice, and then you go. You don't keep around. You don't keep playing around at the entry. Not in the beginning. It's not good. When they did it here, 3 candles, wick, went back up. It's not good. This right here could be another one. Get this out of the way. This 5 minute counter could be another one. 5 minute counter, close below the order block, come back in for the entry. You're supposed to drop. You don't play around. Now you just took out this high. Definitely could be running up right now. I'm a little depressed. I can't lie. I'm a little depressed. A little bit depressed at myself. I'm up. I locked in $100 on that pullback, thinking it was gonna come back. Turn around after taking that swing low. It's cool though, really, man. It's cool. One day. I have my reasons. No 5 minute gap. Made it hard to trust. And they played around that sell side for so long, man. What that was? 8:33. 1, 2, 3 minutes. Played around with it. Didn't want to get back below it. Retrace. And you can look at it on the 1 minute, 15 minute candle. 15 minute candle gave a wick. Close below here. Drop. Really should have been buying this up. After taking London low, we can go back to the original program now. Came back to the entry. Stop below the low. 2R. Minimum. Take out that swing high. I can definitely see that. Yep. 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 Definitely bearish if they don't want to. They don't want to get above their little 2R. They don't want to get above their little 2R. Shit, that's not the direction. They know if they give me a 5 minute gap, well, we piling in that thing. All the 5 minute gap traders gonna pile in that thing. We taking this thing down. Previous day EQ. Previous day EQ. Take them down. They giving 1 minute gaps, and you got to take the 1 minute gaps, I guess. Mm, 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 mm. Should have held for my target, man. But it's cool. Just give me another setup, dog, and I forgive you. Give me another setup, and I forgive you for that nasty retrace. When all I needed was 30 more points, dog, I forgive you. Look at there, look at there. Digging, digging. Ugh, man. Gonna have to take. Gonna have to take them. Um, yup. Midnight open. Midnight open. Shifted right there. That was my trade right there. That was my trade. 5 minute tap midnight. Swept the previous counter high. Shift on the 15 second. That was a small risk too. 20 point. 20 points to get 100. Ooh, come on, man. Let's see on that counter. No 1 minute gaps. That's what made it even sweeter. It was no 1 minute gaps in the way. Sweet drop. Sweet drop. Mm, mm, mm. What was that? Mm, 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 mm. Sweet. Shift on the one. Run a little higher. New 15-minute candle. Might take it higher. All right, we getting a little long in the tooth, ain't we? We almost at 2 hours. I called the market. I called the bullish draw, the bearish draw. I'm just a little upset that my money doesn't reflect how correct I was today. But it's cool. Tomorrow, a new day. If I can do it today, I can do it tomorrow. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna shut it down. Take a little break, go walk this dog, eat some breakfast. Come back tomorrow. Do it all over again. Stay safe out there.